Welcome back to Tire Talk. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most exciting returns in the sports car world, the 2026 Mazda RX-8. For years, enthusiasts have been hoping Mazda would bring back its legendary rotary-powered sports coupe, and now it's here with a completely fresh design, updated technology, and performance that blends tradition with innovation. The RX-8 was always unique because of its rotary engine and freestyle rear doors, and Mazda has taken those iconic elements and reimagined them for a new generation. The exterior design of the 2026 Mazda RX-8 is modern, sleek, and aggressive, giving off an unmistakable sports car presence. The front end features a bold and wide black grille with sharp LED headlights that sweep back to emphasize the car's low and aerodynamic stance. The sculpted hood lines add muscle, while the side profile flows smoothly with a coupe-like roofline and those signature rear hinge half doors that give it practicality without compromising style. Large alloy wheels sit under flared arches, and the rear end is futuristic, with sharp LED taillights, a diffuser, and dual exhaust tips that highlight its performance DNA. Mazda has managed to keep the RX-8's identity intact while making it look futuristic and athletic, a true head-turner on the road. Inside, the cabin is designed with the driver in mind but still provides comfort and a premium feel for all passengers. The seats are deeply bolstered for support during spirited driving but padded well enough for long journeys. High-quality materials like Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber accents give the interior a sporty yet upscale look. The dashboard is sleek and modern, dominated by a fully digital instrument cluster that provides real-time performance data, navigation, and customizable displays. At the center sits a wide touchscreen infotainment system with the latest connectivity features, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in performance telemetry for tracking lap times. The steering wheel is wrapped in leather with paddle shifters integrated for quick control, while ambient lighting adds to the futuristic atmosphere. Practicality remains a highlight, as the RX-8 continues to offer 4 seats and easy access thanks to its freestyle rear doors, a feature rarely found in sports cars of this segment. Performance is where the 2026 Mazda RX-8 truly shines. Mazda has stayed true to its heritage by reviving the rotary engine, but this time it comes paired with modern hybrid assistance. The rotary hybrid setup produces around 400 horsepower, making the RX-8 quick and responsive while also addressing efficiency concerns that plagued earlier rotary models. This setup allows the car to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, delivering thrills that rival many high-end sports cars. Its lightweight chassis and near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution give it superb balance and cornering ability. The suspension has been fine-tuned to provide agility without sacrificing ride comfort, making it equally enjoyable on a racetrack or a daily commute. Enthusiasts will appreciate that Mazda offers both a 6-speed manual transmission and a high-tech automatic option, catering to purists as well as modern drivers. The rotary engine sound has been refined but still retains that unique note that fans love, giving the RX-8 a signature character every time you press the throttle. In terms of safety and technology, the RX-8 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and AI-driven predictive systems that adapt to driving conditions. These features ensure that the RX-8 is not just about performance but also about giving drivers peace of mind in everyday use. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Mazda RX-8 is expected to start around $55,000, making it a relatively affordable entry into the sports car world compared to its European competitors. Higher performance trims and premium packages could push the price closer to $70,000, but that still positions it competitively against rivals like the Toyota Supra, Nissan Z, and even some entry-level models from Porsche. The 2026 Mazda RX-8 is more than just a comeback, it's a reinvention. It blends the history of Mazda's rotary engine with modern performance, hybrid technology, and a design that looks forward while honoring the past. This is not just a car for enthusiasts but a sports coupe that offers practicality, excitement, and innovation in one package. For anyone who loves driving and wants something unique, the new RX-8 is a car that stands out in today's market. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tire Talk, and press the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest car reviews.